Legal Talk, brought to you by the Cochran Firm and WTVY.
Hello and welcome to Legal Talk. I'm Andrew Findley and I'm joined today by McDavid Flowers with the Cochran Firm here in Dothan. And McDavid, we haven't gotten any rain in a long time in the state of Alabama and we're under a burn ban. What do people need to know now that we are under a burn ban?
Well, you're right about the lack of rainfall. We haven't had any rainfall in a very long time, and the weather forecasters don't predict any until the spring, basically. So Governor Bentley recently issued a burn ban, which applies to all outdoor burning in all 67 counties in the state. It's necessary because of the drought conditions, because of the lack of rain, low humidity, and windy days in the fall and the spring. So any wildfire can spread very rapidly under these conditions. It's necessary to keep citizens safe and protect property. So about 25% of wildfires are caused by arson. The other 75% are completely accidental. So it's very important to be aware of the drought conditions and the possibility that even a spark or a cigarette butt, something like that, could spark a fire that becomes uncontrollable very quickly. The fire department wouldn't be able to handle it, and it could, even potentially threaten residential neighborhoods. There are criminal penalties for violating this burn ban. It is a misdemeanor offense, up to a $500 fine, and you could even spend 6 months in the county jail. You could also be subject to civil liability, where if you started a fire, it went and damaged somebody else's property, you could be liable for the property damage. Fire department could also try to recoup some of the costs of suppressing the fire. So it's just important to be aware of the burn ban, be aware of the conditions, and be very careful until we're out of this drought.
All right, thanks McDavid Flowers with the Cochran Firm. And if you've got any legal questions, be sure to call the Cochran Firm at 673-1555.
Legal Talk, brought to you by the Cochran Firm and WTVY.